For 24, we are questioning this underlined bit right here. So let's read the context. So it says, okay, so research on regional variations in the English language use has not only yielded answers to such intriguing questions as to how people in different parts of the U.S. refer to carbonated beverages, it also illustrates how technology can change the very nature of research. Okay, so is there any issue right now? Yes, there is. So you start the sentence off and it is a complete sentence. So we have our subject, research on regional variations. We have our verb, basically has, in this case, has not yielded. But then it's going on, and there's no, see, they put these parentheses here to sort of separate the thoughts to maybe trick you a little bit, but you're going the sentence should be good without this. Just remove that from the sentence. If you read it through, you notice that there's this complete sentence here. There's no transition, and it starts another complete sentence by saying it, which is another subject, then illustrates verb, right? So you're jumping from one complete sentence straight to another without any transition in between. This is a run-on. So how can we transition from this sentence to this sentence? B, and also illustrates. Okay, not bad. I mean, and is going to be more appropriate than but, right? Because we are just adding on. So we're saying like, the research, demonstrates this and illustrates this, as opposed to but. When you say but, again, what you're about to say has to be in some way contradicting or contrary to what was said before. And here it's not. It's just sort of in addition. So C is not good. B is looking good. What about D? Just illustrating. So that would be research on regional variations has not only yielded answers to such questions. Uh, Again, different parts of the U.S. refer to carbonated beverages, illustrating. Um, that, I mean, grammatically, no, even grammatically, I don't think it's correct. You need a comma there. But what illustrating does is it, again, and also sort of separates your thoughts, right? That's like one chunk of thought and then you put your second chunk of thought. So that's a nice sort of stylistic separation. D, illustrating, it just makes this enormous sentence that is like really clunky, and that you generally want to break up your sentences stylistically into smaller units. So that's exactly what this does. And notice with B, you don't have a run-on anymore, because if you notice, it removed the it. So that way this second part doesn't have a subject anymore. So it's not a complete sentence, so it doesn't make a run-on. So it's just one complete sentence and some more information. So B is the answer here.